Transferring money from Barclays to Starling Bank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from Barclays to a Starling Bank, first of all, open up the Barclays official website. Once you get into its website, click on the Barclays app option from the top bar. Now, to transfer money between your accounts using your Barclays app, tap on Move Money on the home screen. Then choose the account you want to transfer money from and the one you want to send it to. After that, enter the amount and choose whether you want to transfer straight away or select a future date. Select Confirm to finish. If you haven't understood the process this way, then you can watch the tutorial video underneath these steps. Although it's a very simple process to follow and you can understand it in one go. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact their customer service team in order to get assistance.